Autofill is an essential tool in Excel. The most interesting thing is that it is easy to use. Let's see how. First, let's go to a cell and type January. At the bottom right corner of this cell, you will see a small square, the fill handle. When your cursor reaches it, it changes to a plus icon. Hold and drag it down, and you'll see that autofill is filling in each subsequent month swiftly. Let's try another example. Write Monday in a cell, then use the fill handle to drag it down. It will automatically write the names of the days following Monday. Now, let's try using the short names of the months. Type Jan for January, then drag it down as before. This will also fill in the abbreviated names of the months. Next, let's try autofill with dates. Type any random date, like January 1st, 2024, then hit enter. Select the cell again and drag the fill handle down to the desired date range. I'll drag it down to the 1st of February, 2024. Additionally, we can autofill the days of the week for a specific month. If January 1st was a Monday, type Monday, and then double-click the fill handle. This will autofill the days of the month of January. You can also write the short name like Mon and double-click the fill handle. Now let's try numbers. If we enter 1 and then drag it down, it will not fill the range with a sequence but just copy the same number. For numbers, we need to provide a specific pattern. I will write 1 in the first cell and 2 in the next, then drag it down. This will give you a sequence of numbers. Let's create a custom list. Go to the File tab, then Options, and choose Advanced. Scroll down to the General section and click on Edit Custom Lists. Here, we see all the pre-existing lists. I will add a list of 4 shops and their sales so that if I need to write the shop names repeatedly, they will be written in the same pattern. After entering the list, click Add and then OK. To test it, I'll write Sales Office in a cell, hit Enter, and drag it down. Yes, it works perfectly. Using autofill and custom lists can significantly speed up repetitive tasks, making your workflow more efficient. So, practice using these features to enhance your Excel skills.